There's something truly special about working outdoors. Feeling the sun on your face and the earth in your hands is incredibly grounding.
Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's a way of life. And for those with a true passion for plants, it can also be a fulfilling business opportunity.
Sharing your love of gardening with others and transforming outdoor spaces is incredibly rewarding. Imagine creating beautiful landscapes that bring joy to people's lives.
Picture yourself nurturing vibrant flowers, lush lawns, and thriving plants. As a gardening entrepreneur, you have the chance to turn your passion into a thriving business.
It's about combining your love for nature with your entrepreneurial spirit. Starting a gardening business lets you spend your days surrounded by beauty.
You'll get to work with your hands and witness the fruits of your labor firsthand. Every day brings new challenges and rewards, from designing stunning gardens to nurturing delicate blooms.
It's a career path that's both personally and professionally satisfying. Whether you're an experienced horticulturalist or just starting out, there's a place for you in the world of gardening services.
With hard work, dedication, and a love for all things green, you can cultivate a successful business while bringing joy to your clients' outdoor spaces. Let's dive in and explore how you can turn your green thumb into a rewarding career.
Starting your own gardening business offers a unique blend of flexibility, profitability, and personal satisfaction.
Unlike traditional 9-to-5 jobs, gardening allows you to set your own hours and be your own boss.
You can choose the projects you want to take on and create a schedule that fits your lifestyle. This level of independence is a major draw for many aspiring entrepreneurs.
Beyond flexibility, the potential for profitability is another compelling reason to consider a gardening business.
As the demand for landscaping and garden maintenance continues to grow, so do the earning opportunities for skilled professionals.
With hard work and smart business practices, you can turn your passion into a lucrative venture.
Perhaps the most rewarding aspect of a gardening business is the satisfaction of beautifying spaces. Transforming an overgrown yard into a vibrant oasis brings a sense of accomplishment that's hard to match.
You're not just cutting grass or planting flowers. You're creating spaces where people can relax, connect with nature, and make lasting memories.
Whether you're seeking financial independence, a flexible schedule, or the joy of creating beautiful landscapes, a gardening business offers a unique and rewarding path. It's a chance to combine your love for the outdoors with your entrepreneurial spirit and build a business that truly flourishes. Every gardener needs a reliable set of tools to tackle a variety of tasks.
Investing in high-quality equipment is crucial for efficiency, productivity, and the overall success of your business.
Start with the basics: a sturdy pair of gardening gloves, sharp pruning shears, a durable hand trowel, and a reliable garden hose.
As your business grows, consider expanding your toolkit with essential power equipment.
A lawnmower is a must-have for maintaining lawns, while a string trimmer helps with edging in hard-to-reach areas.
For larger properties, a leaf blower can save you time and effort during fall cleanup.
Remember, investing in quality tools is an investment in your business's success. Maintaining your equipment is just as important as purchasing it.
Regular cleaning, sharpening, and proper storage will extend the life of your tools and ensure they perform optimally. Dull blades can damage plants and make your work less efficient.
A well-maintained toolkit is a sign of a professional and reflects the pride you take in your work. Remember, your tools are an extension of your skills.
By choosing high-quality equipment and keeping it in top condition, you'll be well equipped to handle any gardening challenge that comes your way. A well-stocked and well-maintained toolkit is a testament to your professionalism and commitment to delivering exceptional results.
Starting a gardening business involves more than just a passion for plants. It requires navigating the legalities.
Obtaining the necessary licenses and insurance is crucial for protecting yourself and your business.
Contact your local government to inquire about specific permits or licenses required to operate a gardening service in your area.
Insurance is equally important, providing financial protection in case of accidents or damages.
General liability insurance safeguards your business from claims of property damage or bodily injury.
Workers' compensation insurance is essential if you plan to hire employees, covering medical expenses and lost wages in case of work-related injuries.
Don't underestimate the importance of contracts when working with clients.
A well-drafted contract outlines the scope of work, payment terms, and liabilities, protecting both parties involved.
Clearly define the services you'll provide, the project timeline, and any warranty or guarantee you offer. A written agreement ensures clear communication and helps prevent misunderstandings down the line.
By taking care of these legal and administrative aspects, you'll establish a solid foundation for your gardening business.
Operating legally and ethically builds trust with clients and ensures your business's long-term viability. Remember, a successful gardening business is built on a foundation of professionalism, reliability, and trust. Section 5. Setting your rates. Finding the right price. Determining your pricing strategy is crucial for attracting clients while ensuring profitability. Researching your local market is essential to understanding the going rates for gardening services in your area.
Consider factors like the cost of living, competition, and the specific services you offer. When calculating your rates, think about both your time and overhead costs. Factor in the cost of labor, materials, transportation, insurance, and marketing.
Don't undervalue your skills and experience. Remember, you're providing a valuable service that deserves fair compensation. Offering different pricing packages can cater to a wider range of clients.
Consider creating tiered packages based on the size of the property, the complexity of the work, or the frequency of service. This allows clients to choose the option that best suits their needs and budget.
Be transparent with your pricing and provide clients with detailed quotes or invoices. Clearly outline the services included, the materials used, and any additional charges. A clear and upfront pricing strategy builds trust with clients and ensures a smooth and positive business relationship. Marketing your gardening business effectively is crucial for attracting those first clients and building a solid customer base. Start by leveraging the power of word of mouth.
Tell your friends, family, and neighbors about your new venture and ask them to spread the word. Personal recommendations are incredibly valuable, especially when starting out.
Create eye-catching flyers and business cards to distribute in your local community. Showcase your services, highlight your expertise, and include your contact information.
Consider posting flyers at local businesses, community centers, or garden supply stores. A visually appealing flyer can grab attention and generate leads.
In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential. Create a website or social media profiles to showcase your work, highlight client testimonials, and provide contact information.
Share high-quality photos of your completed projects to demonstrate your skills and creativity. Engage with potential clients online and respond to inquiries promptly.
Networking within your community is another effective way to build relationships and attract clients. Attend local farmers markets, gardening clubs, or home improvement events.
Offer your expertise, answer questions, and connect with potential customers face-to-face. Building personal connections can lead to valuable referrals and business opportunities.
Customer satisfaction is paramount to the success of any business, especially in a service-based industry like gardening. Positive word-of-mouth referrals can be your most powerful marketing tool.
Happy clients are more likely to recommend your services to friends, family, and neighbors. Providing exceptional customer service is key to building a loyal clientele.
Be reliable, punctual, and communicate clearly with your clients throughout the project. Listen attentively to their needs, offer expert advice, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations.
A positive customer experience can lead to repeat business and glowing referrals. Consider offering incentives for referrals, such as discounts on future services or a free consultation.
This can motivate existing clients to spread the word about your business. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly valuable because it comes from a trusted source.
Remember, your reputation is everything. By consistently delivering exceptional service and exceeding customer expectations, you'll build a strong reputation that precedes you.
Happy clients become loyal advocates for your business, driving growth and success for years to come. Once you've established a solid client base and gained experience, you might consider expanding your gardening business. Adding complementary services can attract a wider range of clients and increase your revenue streams.
Consider offering landscaping design, irrigation system installation, or seasonal decorations. Expanding your service area can also open up new opportunities.
As your reputation grows, you might receive inquiries from clients located farther away. Consider hiring additional staff or partnering with other gardening professionals to handle the increased workload.
Investing in continuing education can further enhance your skills and expertise. Attend workshops, seminars, or online courses to stay abreast of the latest gardening techniques, plant varieties, and industry trends.
Continuous learning demonstrates your commitment to providing top-notch services. Consider specializing in a particular niche within the gardening industry.
Focusing on a specific area, such as organic gardening, water-wise landscaping, or native plant restoration, can set you apart from the competition and attract clients seeking specialized expertise.
Embarking on a gardening business is more than just a job. It's a rewarding career path that combines passion, creativity, and a love for the outdoors.
The satisfaction of transforming outdoor spaces, nurturing plants, and witnessing the fruits of your labor is an experience like no other.
As you watch your business bloom and flourish, you'll also reap the rewards of financial independence, a flexible schedule, and the freedom to be your own boss.
The more you invest in your business, the more it will grow, providing a sense of accomplishment and pride in your hard work.
Gardening is a lifelong learning journey. With each passing season, you'll gain new knowledge, refine your skills, and discover innovative ways to create stunning landscapes.
The constant evolution of the gardening world ensures that your work will always be engaging and fulfilling. If you're passionate about plants, enjoy working outdoors, and possess an entrepreneurial spirit, starting a gardening business could be the perfect path for you.
Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and watch as your love for gardening blossoms into a thriving and rewarding career.
We hope you liked the video and it is useful to you. We are sure that it has been able to inspire you to choose what direction you are going to take when starting your business. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and activate the notification bell. Share us. We hope to see you in the next video.